How to use Apple gift card on Shein. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Apple gift card on your Shein account. So first of all, just open your Shein account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your Shein account, all you have to do is just simply select the product that you would want to buy from the Shein website, and after that just simply put that product into your cart. And once you put all the products into the cart that you would want to buy from the Shein official website, and after that just go to the cart section from the right hand side of the screen, just open it, and after that on the right hand side of the screen you will be able to see the bunch of different payment options that are available with Shein. So in which you can see the Apple Pay option is also available. And so in order to use your purchase using your Apple gift card, all you have to do is just simply copy your Apple gift card code number from the Apple gift card that you have, and after that just simply click on checkout from here, and after that just simply add the Apple gift card code that you have available with you under the gift card section, and after that just simply click on apply. You can also use coupon code if you have some coupon code available with you, and after that just simply fill in your shipping address details along with your phone number and along with your zip code and phone number as well, and after that just simply click on save and click on place order, and this way you will be able to use Apple gift card on your Shein account. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.